Hello friends, I'm Explorer A and today we are at Sheikh Al-Ahmad Cultural Center. That's right. And today we'll be gonna exploring this whole place. So stay tuned with me guys. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, comment, share. Let's go and let's volunteer. There you come here. This place is so peaceful. This scenery, this birds chirp is like so peaceful. I'm early here. Like what time is it? I don't really know right now. But it's and this is the place. Yeah. So at this place we have lots of like snack shops, coffee shops. And that side we have waste glass. I don't know what's that, but let's go that side because we're gonna go that side, and then like it's a whole huge circle with this beautiful pond here. So let's go. Oh, we can even go like through the stairs up more near to the pond. They work so much on the scenery. Oh. Alright. Please don't reach over. Huh? Why? Well, I'm gonna. Okay, fine. I will. It's a really good pond. What is this beautiful pond? It's looking so nice. It's really clean water. I guess in night time they do a fountain show because there's all lights fit up with water sprinklers, and we have our shops there. Well, it's really like sunny today, and this is sweating me intense. Wow, the architecture is really nice here. There are general rules like everywhere written. There's one there. There's one right there. White flag. Really nice trees and wow, it's so nice. So like there's not so many people right now here because it's like very early time, but there are still so many people. Like in the restaurants, they're still in the restaurant with the AC. And I'm walking a sunny road. Oh, well, I don't know. I'm just gonna take a shortcut. Oh my god, there's all flies sitting on me. I'm gonna go through the garden. More flies, please. Please don't reach her. Like, what's gonna happen? Did this stick from super glue? Wow, the garden. Oh, we can even walk in the tree. Oh, just look at that bird, man. Wow, there's so many unique birds, except pigeon. Okay, this goes somewhere underground. Not sure. Oh, it's the same place where we merged this place. The garden takes you that place only. Insane. Oh. So where does this and this stay? Okay. I know this is really confusing, but whatever. Oh, there's a stage over there. We gotta check it out. Even the what? Nah, it's closed. There's the event long ago here for the firefighters. Yeah, for the firefighters. Yeah, it's a big event here. but they have the stage still fitting you. It's like years ago. there's like light wind going there, sunny, and like the weather is really perfect, you know. The same way stairs down to the stage. Wait, is that a bird's nest? Hey guys, there's a nest. See that? It's right on that middle of the tree. Oh, that's nice. Long ago I did not see a nest on the tree. Oh my god, my mic's getting really hot just because of the sun rays. I hope it doesn't blast. Where's this road taking me? Oh man, this literally scared me. This is scary. There's so many dragonflies. This is scary. It's lost. I guess we have to go back right there and then go to the road which we saw. There is like 3 ways, then choose another one, get lost again, choose the third one, get lost again. Is this a park or what? And there must be one entrance. I took the wrong road, I guess. Yeah, I took the wrong route. Let's go. I gotta hurry up before I burn from the sun's rays. Shotgun from... Oh, there's a map here. Thank God. Yes. First Heritage Cafe. Number 1, there's like one. Where's one? There's one. One's right there. That is entrance. Hey, did I walk this? Okay, I'm here right now. You are here. Okay, this is the fountain. This looks... They gave the night time. I went till here. No, I went till here. Yeah, till here. Then I came back. I don't know, where do I go? Okay, fine. Man prayer, VIP building, flag court, dancing fountain, restaurants, national building, conference. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I guess you can kind of fast forward it. Okay. Oh, right. There are the 2 more routes. We just went through the first one. Now this is getting exhausting. The family I saw behind me took a big round and came right here. So where do I go? Where is that? The place to go there. Water. That fountain threw all the water on me. I'm like intense wet. I'm like, people might think I just took the shower and came right here. Oh, this is really, it's all water. But this all water like got dried up because it's too hot and it's really sunny. This show, the show which happened here was what happened here at this stage years ago. This is the place for spotlights. Looks like we gotta end this video now, and it was a great experience coming here with that beautiful fountain show. Now it's getting over sunny and it's like sweating me all the way up. That good that water fell on me because it cooled me so much down, and I needed, and I was like so cooled down, and now it's hot again so much, and it's getting hotter and hotter, sweating and sweating. I'm like this water all away. So it was really good. The scenery is really good here. It's like so peaceful, mind freshing. So see you in the next video. Let's roll and tune. Bye.